What's up, everybody? DV once again. Y'all been with me 2 times this week. Mr. Josh Roman, aka the Big Boss, is about to take flight to Las Vegas to the Waste Expo. Him and Miss Alexis. So y'all be riding with me and the famous cameraman David. We got a delivery here in downtown Dallas. We'll go pick one up in Irving, dump it, deliver it to Richardson, and then that roofing job where we have 340s, we'll dump and return all 3 of them. And that's it for today. So let's see what happens. Let's have some fun, and hopefully today's a smooth day. All right, he said, let's do it. It's not too bad. I love it when the customers are out here and tell me exactly where they want it. Now getting out of here is gonna be fun, but this is exactly where he said. Good morning, good morning. Want me to pull it up some? Yeah, you.
The front of it was
Like right where the sign's at? Okay, 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 perfect, yes, I can do that. Boy, eating his breakfast. Need to make my move. Think I can touch it? The power line?
I don't think it's a power line.
I don't think it is either, right? No, it's not.
It's just a landline.
They were like as low as this branch. And I was like, oh, this is a sketch. Yeah, homie had to get a piece of board and lift them up as I drove out. But I mean, well, here we go. I don't know why they wanted this in the... Good morning. Power lines are down to this time, huh? The power lines fell down, huh? Yeah, you can throw it in, yes ma'am. Whenever it rained, I was like, where I placed it, it's not the best to go pick it up when it's wet and muddy and whatnot. So that's why, I mean, it's good though. I'll be able to pick it up. We're about to get in the grass. Neighbors' grass and everything. They said, neighbors don't care. I just don't want to run over their cable line or whatever line that is.
But for the most part, you can dump everything else, just not paint.
Okay, so I put that cherry in right there.
Yeah, you can throw all that stuff in,
Okay.
just not the paint.
Okay.
Good throw, good throw. I think I can knock it in with this. Should be good enough.
Here we go.
What about that pillow? You want it in too? Or does that belong there?
No, I want it in there too.
Yeah, I'll throw it in for you.
And I think he's keeping this. That's a lot of trash that was sent here for 50 years.
Damn, that power line. Didn't want to do this. Shit. Power line sketch. Let me scoot up just a tad so I can tarp that bad boy. Oh yeah! Oh hell no! minimum. No, that way, that way. About to fucking get me. Golly. 6,000 pounds worth of trash. Oh, David's the man. He got the door. He the man. You want it this way or straight like this? Okay, perfect. Let's make it happen. Right along that curb, watch.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Is that a way to open the door?
The door's in the back, yes, sir.
Oh, the door is only in the back?
Yeah, it's in the back, yes, sir. Right here.
We cannot open the door, right?
If I put it, because they don't have to, I mean, I can put it where the back's, where it ends right, where the back's right here, and then you can swing it open, but it'll like kind of stick out, yeah.
Is that a way to do this way?
Yeah, I can do it, yeah. You coming out of this door? This door and that door? Okay. Yeah, I can pick it back up and I can put it this way where the door's in the back. Okay, yeah, I can put it right.
Open the door.
And like I can put it, like I can take up these parking spots right here.
You just put it here? Put the end here?
Yeah, the back right here, yeah.
Back
Yes,
here.
sir.
Yeah.
Got you.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome. Ain't no thing but a chicken wine. What in the hell is that thing back there? Gonna be kind of close to this wall. Look at this perfect drop. That last white line by that door. Oh, wow. Right on that white line. Yeah, I just want to make sure it's gonna swing open all the way. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, they keep it open for you? All right, there you go. Thank you. You have a good day. Another successful one, right on the money. Get out of Dodge.
Fixed it.
That whole side's done right. Coming from the south, I think so. Bam! Hell no.
Real sketchy.
I mean, is it like really like?
It's pretty bad.
Hold on, let me try something. shit down. Little bit of rain and they want to go crashing into each other. These dudes fight last night. Matter. And number 3. Can number 3. Three points of contact like always. He did not have to do that, bro. Look at that. Oh, come on, waste connection. Shoots just like that. Oh, hell yeah, I'm getting stuck. Yeah, what are they all doing?
It's like a game.
All of them. Judge Royce Green, that used to be it. Got Mr. Freeze right there. Batman beside it. So looks good. All right, last dumpster getting dropped off. But yeah, earlier when we picked up 4003, the first dumpster, and it was getting sideways whenever I was lifting it, is because I forgot to put it in dump mode. Which dump mode, it lets the air out of your airbags and drops it, so it makes it more stable whenever you raise it to dump it, especially on heavy loads. So if y'all remember, a long time ago, I had that dirt load, and I had to get the guy at the landfill to take some dirt out. I didn't know about dump mode at the time, so if I would have put the truck in dump mode, it probably would have dumped without me having to use help. So if y'all have dump mode, I'm pretty sure every truck does, and you got a heavy load, putting it in dump mode at your landfill will take the air out of your airbags and make it way more stable and not as sketchy. But yeah, I totally forgot. I've been doing it every time, but I don't know why it slipped my mind earlier, but that's exactly why it was getting a little sketchy and sideways. But yeah, dump mode comes in handy. And we are ready to roll, and this day is done. Lights off. Let's roll. Head back to Hatchie. So we are probably a minute and a half away from the shop. So but that was the day. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget the little dump button. If you have the dump button, use it. It helps tremendously whenever you have a heavy load to where your dumpster's not shaking or leaning from side to side. So don't forget to use your dump button. And that was it. Happy Cinco de Mayo, like I said. Hope y'all enjoyed. And don't forget that Dumpster Expo coming in November. Get y'all's tickets. We'd like to see y'all there. But with that being said, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Until next time.